DC off. Oh yeah, we have to put this two-wheel drive. Yeah, but warming up the tires before a launch. So two-wheel drive, second gear. It's so super controllable. And let's do a little launch.
We do the launch.
And we need to put DC off completely.
4 persons.
Oh, bye. Nice on the brakes. No, it's like it's so nice, so controllable with two-wheel drive. It's like surprising.
It's very good.
And MDM just do a little wheel spin.
It's very nice.
Yeah, with the MDM is hello kids.
Hello, it works with the forward.
I have to look in front as well. Yeah, four-wheel drive. Then it's only performance, like yeah,
but with the MDM Sport, yeah, it worked.
Yeah, you can feel it. It was never too much, never too wide. Just and this is just incredible with like 4 people. Oh, and we should watch the times. We forgot. Yeah, 3.6, 200. A bit and what was maybe it didn't record 0 to 200. Oh, 11.9.
11.9 was quicker now.
11.8 actually. Yeah,
with 4 persons in the car.
Yeah, it's not bad.
No.
So yeah, so what did he do there?
I could not hold like this.
And yeah, it's like and sometimes it's really burbles. But imagine that
if Halim make this car,
yeah, with tuning,
yeah.
crazy because
Crazy, man.
Okay, I was thinking I should give a little additional view on the M5 Competition in Snapper Rocks Blue, which amazingly enough is a standard M5 color. Actually, I was first on the M2, I assume. Anyway, I wanted to film a little bit in the sun. And I think it's actually a great color for the M5. It's so sporty, and it's, I mean, it could have been a gray, dark, Donington thing, boring gray. Instead of it's a super sporty color that looks like most people hate. But I just think it's lovely. Just because it's special. And when driving the M5, I have a habit of having the headlights on, these gorgeous LED intelligent headlights. See the dark thing here? Is that like a option? And love these seats, however quite firm. And for best sound in the car, you have the seats folded. That's a trick I learned from old M5 E39 times. Of course now the sun went down, but I'm gonna film it from the front from another angle when the sun comes back. Snapper rocks blue in the sun. 4K 60 frames per second, and the color still looks awesome. I was about to turn around there, but no, it's not. It was not worth it. Now the sun went away. It might come back. There's a lot of pigeons or whatever. Should have like pigeon shooting. So, I mean, in dull it's kind of the worst color. In the night it looks just completely amazing. Exhaust button pressed. Lights on. And people working endless with these renovations. Money is cheap. So let's see it from a distance. Damn, the M5 looks low from this angle. Super stealthy. Looks a bit lower with a dark diffuser, but I mean, it kind of reminds me when, you know, as like on the Berlingo there, when you have like this unpainted bumper, even though it's painted in black, it's still somewhat yeah, looks not well. So I love the fact that it's actually a M5, but it's no competition wheels. But just have a look how well this 3D view works. And you just do it like this to spin it around. And see, I mean, it's catching, of course, the sun. So let's go out and see how it is in the sun. As you can see, the people, it's a funny thing. You can see people look on the car, and they didn't. They completely ignored it. So that's my experience with this color. People just ignore it. They think you're like a maniac attention seeker in this color, but I think it's fun. It's sporty. So you see the bay there, and you see a bay here. I was just stunned when I saw this feature on the 540i, and it's still as fun 2 years later. Or was it 1 year ago? I think it was 2 years ago. So does the light, I was checking if the rear light went off and on, but no, it didn't. I would be so pissed if it wouldn't be in an M5 there. Front. See how bit close to the water there. Here, water. So that's it. Now I need to film it before sun disappears.